Welcome viewers. Today our video topic is the cardboard planter. You are watching as the tissue roll planter. You are watching the square cardboard planter. You are watching the old tissue roll uh, cardboard planter seed starter. You are watching the plant in a cardboard box. You are watching the um, plant. You are watching the plant pot made with the cardboard box. You are watching the another plant pot. You are watching the old egg trays using for plantation. You are watching the small cardboard planter. You are watching the apple shape model. You are watching the stepwise small plant pot. You are watching the tissue roll based planter pot. You are watching the cardboard based planter. You are watching cardboard tissue roll and thermocol paste. You are watching a cardboard based. You are watching a plant pot made with the cardboard. You are watching another idea, beautiful, simple, and easy idea of planter box. You are watching another idea of round planter. Different design of the cardboard planter box. You are watching another planter box made with the cardboard. Beautiful flower pot. You are watching the flower pot planter box. You are watching some more design of the planter box made with the cardboard. Another idea of the cardboard planter box. You are watching the book shaped planter box. You are watching another cardboard planter box. You are watching home model of the home planter. You are watching some another dia planters. Another idea of the simple and easy cardboard based. You are watching two plant models. You are watching a plant uh, planted in cardboard box. You are watching the wall hanging a plant planted in cardboard box. You are watching a beautiful